Today, we're diving into the world of memory upgrades with the Computer Memory Solutions 64GB DDR4 2666MHz RAM kit, specifically designed for Alienware Aurora desktops. This upgrade promises to supercharge your gaming experience, offering a whopping 64GB of DDR4 memory clocked at 2666MHz. First off, let's talk compatibility. Computer Memory Solutions guarantees that this kit is fully compatible with the Alienware Aurora R6, R7, R8, and R9 desktop models. So if you own one of these beasts, you're good to go. Now, onto performance. With a speed of 2666 MHz, this RAM kit ensures smooth multitasking and lightning-fast responsiveness, whether you're gaming, streaming, or tackling heavy workloads. Plus, with 64GB of memory, you'll have ample room to run resource-intensive applications without any hiccups. Installation is a breeze thanks to the 288-pin DIMM design, making it a hassle-free upgrade for both novice and experienced users alike. And with a limited lifetime warranty when purchased directly from Computer Memory Solutions, you can rest easy knowing your investment is protected. One thing to note is that the product appearance may vary, so don't be alarmed if it looks slightly different from the picture. However, rest assured that the performance remains top-notch. Overall, if you're looking to take your Alienware Aurora desktop to the next level, the Computer Memory Solutions 64GB DDR4 2666MHz RAM upgrade is an absolute game-changer. Say goodbye to lag and hello to seamless performance with this beast of a memory kit. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.